Need to do laundry while cruising on the Carnival Celebration? The Carnival Celebration does not have washers and dryers, or what they call self-service launderettes, but it does have ironing rooms on several stateroom decks, as well as valet laundry service. Ironing rooms can be found on decks 4, 5, 9, 14, and 15. Valet laundry service on board is handled through your stateroom attendant. There will be laundry bags available in your stateroom. Simply complete the form and contact your stateroom attendant.